When it comes to sous vide cooking healthy options, sous vide salmon is a beautiful and tasty dish. I'm going to walk you through start to finish and teach you the story of how to sous vide salmon fillets with your Innova or Instant Pot or whatever precision cooker you have. Let's get in the kitchen and get it started at 125 degrees Fahrenheit. All right, so the first thing that you want to do is prepare the salmon with seasoning. So pat it dry after thawing frozen fillets. So pat it dry and then season it up. Here we're just using really simple things, some salt, pepper, and then afterwards we'll add a little bit more flavor. So all you need to do is pop it after vacuum sealing it into the sous vide bath at 125 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes. When it's near the end, prepare an ice bath so you can cool it off. And then the final step is that you're going to sear sous vide salmon after it cooks, just so you could get a little bit crispy skin on it. So take it out of the bag, pat it dry again, and then put some olive oil in the pan so it gets nice and hot. And then it's time to sear the sous vide salmon really quickly, seriously, 60 to 90 seconds to finish. And then serve it over something yummy like couscous, which you see here, and enjoy your sous vide cooking. I have so many other recipes when it comes to this style of cooking on the Sip Bite Go YouTube channel and at sipbitego.com. Finish it with some fresh herbs and a squeeze of lemon. Enjoy! Cheers!